In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name on Epic Games. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to change your display name on Epic Games, it's actually really simple. So the first thing you will need to do is obviously head over to epicgames.com, and then once you are on Epic Games, you'll be on this page here. And from here, what you need to do is simply come over to the top right hand corner where your username is. Go over there, and then you will need to select account. Once you select account, you'll be redirected over to your settings, and then what that will do is it will bring up this page, and from here, as you can see, under account info, which is right here, there is an option for display name. So if I just hover over this little pencil icon, as you can see, if you change your Epic Games display name, you can't change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this. So if you are happy with that and you still want to change it, click on the pencil icon, and then it will bring up this little pop-up. And then all you simply need to do now is enter in your new display name. So for example, Ryan Tutorials. And then all you need to do now is simply copy this and then confirm it in there. And then you simply need to click on I understand I cannot change this for 2 weeks after. Click on that, and then all you need to do then is click on the blue confirm button right here. So that's how you can go ahead and change your display name on Epic Games.